Hello guys, my name is Samar Srivastava. I've done my MBA in International Business from University of Lucknow. 6 months back, I'm processing for my computer applications which enhance my knowledge about computer. So I have been here in OJD Academy which improve my knowledge on computer applications. So I had decided to do in diploma in computer applications. Not only this, I had given a lot of study material which enhanced my knowledge and also a friendly environment with my teachers. And thank you to OJD sir for providing me this certificate after my diploma, which tells us that I have all the command on diploma in computer application. So guys, I suggest you all join OJD and do your best in computer and enhance your knowledge in the field of computer, which is very necessary. Thank you.